Welcome to Bicol University, where our dreams and your dreams can be possible.
Studying here at Bicol University is an honor for young people like us.
Bicol University is famous for producing very good and exemplary students throughout history. It is not only known throughout whole Bicolania but also in the Philippines. It can be seen that students who come from the school to take exams are mostly top-notchers, especially in popular exams like board exam, so the quality of teaching here can be proved to be good. The Bicol University was founded on June 21, 1961, and it was institutionalized on September 22, 1970 by virtue of Resolution Number 1 of its Board of Regents. It has a lot of different courses or programs that you can choose from depending on your interests. The Bicol University has 4 different pillars that were cherished. Scholarship, leadership, character, and service are what Bicol University is known for. The university is focused on producing not just good students but also people that can really make a good contribution to the economy.
Bicol University compromises by different colleges, and the College of Business, Economics, and Management is the home of our student for today. Come on, let's meet her. So, good afternoon, Miss Laura Negrina. Good afternoon. So, can you explain ang College of Business Economics ang College of Business Economics Management?
Also called the BSBA ay kilala bilang tahanan ng matatalino at magagaling ng mga estudyante ng Bicol University. It legally started as a college on September 10, 2004. And originally offered only 4 courses: the BS Economics, BS Accountancy, BS Entrepreneurship, and the BSBA major in Management. Additionally, Dr. Dimson Rivero was the dean of CBEM. However, the present CBEM currently offers 9 courses in a row. There's the BS Accountancy, BS Economics, BS Entrepreneurship, BSBA with 6 programs: the Management, Marketing Management, Human Resources Management, Operation Management, Financial Management, and My Home, Microfinance.
Whoa, that's a lot. But why did you choose microfinance? I choose finance. Dahil gusto ko talaga makapasok sa dunia. It was necessary to choose this like, habang nalagar, mas lalo kong nalalaman kung bakit.
And the reason is, gusto ko makapag-work sa mga banks. This program may help me to get the job that I want.
So, I was second year microfinance student. So, I'm sure I have a lot of experiences, but I'd rather with her. And share with you the highlights of my video at Bicol University. To be honest, mahirap talaga maging student. The pressure and the stress from ACADS can make it drain for you. And yet, I'm very thankful to meet you.
That gave me a lot of happy memories to share and vibe with. Nakakatulong siya for me to relieve stress and enjoy my college journey. Additionally, I'm grateful to have our professors na minumulat kami about the possibility of our future. In a short time, they train us kung paano at saan namin sisimulan ang pagtupad ng aming mga pangarap as a microfinancer.
Moving on, to the life matter, this university also give us enough time to enjoy the moment.
They enforce activities and events like ang pinakasikat na BU Hataw. Nakakapagod mag-practice but it can truly overwhelm. Seeing myself as one of those students na sumasaya with pride of being a BUenyo, including those small events from our program and other organization, the welcome party for our freshie na talagang nakaka-enjoy, the microfinance week that was held in the first week of November, and the team building isa sa pinaka-favorite ko.
you already have a goal or any plans after you graduate here in the university? Yes, of course. For now, my goal as a student, syempre, kailangan ng nakitaan is to finish my study and also to use my knowledge from this course para at trabaho or like prepare and talk to more. I hope our viewers can also see and find their path to achieving their dreams. For the next time, do you have any words that makes you motivated? Yes, I have. It is.
Chasing your dream is like taking a risk. It can disappoint you, yet it will lead you to a big success.